All right, so I went ahead and added 4 bags of cow manure and mixed it in with the red clay, and you can see we've completely changed the characteristics of this. And funny thing is, I got half a bed full already, so that was a half a yard of already having clay in there and then cow manure, so that's not bad. The biggest problem with ordering 4 yards of dirt is I got a big old pile, and all you guys are sitting there watching this thing. Nobody's calling me saying, hey, I'll come over and help. Doesn't work that way, does it? So I got a wheelbarrow, I got a pile of soil, and 4 yards. That's going to take a while. And guess what? I got rain this afternoon, potential rain, and rain the next 2 days, so I got to get this done. But anyways, I guess I'm ready to, I got to clear out this area so I can get the wheelbarrow through here. And then I'm just going to start bringing it in and dumping it a wheelbarrow at a time. I think it maybe takes about 10 wheelbarrows to fill up each bed, but luckily I got half of one there. And then I'm just going to take the rest of the dirt and soil. Got to keep training myself to say soil is not dirt. When you use it for gardening, they call it soil. And stick that in here. So let me pause this, and I'll give you a progress report as we go. Should take me, I'm hoping I can do this in about an hour, but I got to bust butt because it's just about lunchtime. All I can tell you is I sure wish I started this first in the morning when it was 55 degrees. Instead, I had AC service at one of my rental properties. I had to, just a normal maintenance, but there were 2 units, and so it took till after 10. And this is, it takes 20 shovelfuls for each wheelbarrow. And I think I'm up to 7 wheelbarrows so far. So there may only be 8 or 9 that fit into that bed. And I decided I had 3 more bags of cow manure, so I'm going to go ahead and put them in here and mix it up, get it as dark as possible. And this pile over here is getting smaller, but nobody from YouTube showed up yet to help me, so I guess I'm just going to keep hacking at it. That's still a pretty dang big pile. But after I get 2 beds done and then fill in between these things, all that soil will disappear. So let me keep hacking at it. I'm about to have to break for lunch pretty soon, or just have heat stroke, one of the two. I'm gonna opt for the lunch though. All right, let's pause again, see how far I can get. All right, so we got this one full and we got that one about half full. I just got myself with the rebar. Got to go to the first aid kit that I put together and get some lunch and come back out and finish this monster job that I set up for today. Bye for now.